Skillet brownie like you've never seen before. In the bowl, we'll use 150g chocolate, 100g butter. Add it all to the bowl and microwave until fully melted. In another bowl, add 2 eggs, 3/4 cup sugar, and mix well. Note, the written recipe is doubled. Follow video amounts. Now add all the melted chocolate and butter mixture. Mix everything together thoroughly. Add 25g cocoa powder, 25g flour, and mix again. This is the perfect consistency, folks. Let's add some chocolate chips.